Hi guys, in this clip we're going to look at how to reduce the size of a polygon. In this case I've got a pentagon here that we've created earlier, and this one asks for us to reduce it to 5/8 of its size. So reductions are quite simple. First thing we're going to do is we look at one side, so I'm going to look at the base line down here. And if we want it to be 5/8 the size, what I need to do is divide this line into 8 parts, 8 equal parts, and then look for the 5th part on it. So let's go. Random line out, grab my compass, and we will set this to any given length. We want to do 8 parts, so we don't want to go too big. Starting on the end there, yep, 1 mark in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Taking that last mark through to the end, you have to try and work out the best way to do this. Using my 2 set squares, it's always pretty fiddly. And come around, getting the last one to line up. So that's our 8th one. There'll be our 7th, 6th, 5th one there. So we don't have to take them all through, we just take through the one that we need. So there we've got, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is that one. That gives us 5/8 of the size. So this is going to be our new starting length for our baseline. The next thing we need to do is take all of these points that are run around here back down to the start or the left hand end of our baseline. So we're just going to run this down here, because when we resize this, these points are just going to all shrink back down in. They're just going to pull back down in, and they'll be on the same coordinate line. So I'll just take that point there and that point there. Back down. So I've got a line through there and a line through there. Now what happens when we shrink it? All our edges are all going to stay on the same angle, okay, because we've always got the same degrees down in here for each of our polygons. So let's get that angle sorted out. So here we are here. We've got that angle nice and lined up. I can use my 2 rulers, 2 set squares here, and just slide it along to keep my angle. I come down to the end of our 5/8 length, and I take my line up. Now where that hits that line coming from that point down there, because this was the old end point of our line, now the new end point of that line has been shrunk down to be right there. So we have a base and then our first side coming up. Then we need to take the next one up this way on the same angle as that. So let's get some 2 ruler method going here. So just sit that on there like so, line it up so it's perfect angle. When it's right, slide it back in until you get to our intersecting point there, and then we'll take it up. So now we have base, side, our other side comes up till it hits that line down there that goes down to the point. So that is our next point there on that intersection. So we go up that way. Now it's got to come back down on this angle till it hits this line. Let's work out our angles again. Line that up so it's pretty perfect. And slide along the ruler back to the intersection. And that's our line through there. And you can start to see it here now. Base, side, 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 side. So I'll just draw that in my outline. See where it is. And there is my reduction down. Now this will look a bit distorted to you. It always does when it's sitting inside another pentagon. If you actually block out the old pentagon, it will look like a pentagon too. But when you put that one there, around it, it makes it look like it's a bit distorted. Gives you an optical illusion. So that is how to reduce a polygon down. If it says that it's 1/2 the size, you would just divide your base into 2 and use one of those 2 and then start your angles up. Remember to bring all your corners back to the end of your starting baseline. Thank you.